आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you live? Where do you live? आप कहाँ के निवासी हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कौन हैं? Who are you? आप कौन हैं? Who are you? आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आप कैसे हैं? How are you? आपका परिवार कैसा है? How is your family? How is your family? आपका काम कैसा चल रहा है? How is your business going on? How is your business going on? आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health? How is your health? इन दिनों क्या चल रहा है? What's up these days? What's up these days? ये क्या है? What is this? ये क्या है? What is this? वो क्या है? What is that? What is that? और कुछ? Anything else? और कुछ? Anything else? आप क्या पसंद करते हो? What do you like? What do you like? क्या आप परेशान हो? Are you upset? Are you upset? क्या आप जाना चाहते हो? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? क्या करें? What to do? What to do? क्या कहें? What to say? What to say? क्या देखें? What to see? क्या देखें? What to see? क्या जानना है? What to know? What to know? आगे क्या? What next? What next? उसके बारे में क्या? What about him? What about him? क्या आप थके हुए हो? Are you tired? Are you tired? क्या पढ़े? What to study? What to study? तो क्या? So what? So what? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मैं ही क्यों? Why me? Why me? क्या पकाएं? What to cook? What to cook? क्या हो रहा है? What's up? क्या हो रहा है? What's up? क्यों नहीं? Why not? क्यों नहीं? Why not? हम क्यों? Why us? Why us? अगला कौन है? Who is next? Who is next? आपने कितने पैसे खर्च किए? How much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? किसके लिए? For whom? For whom? तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? तुम रो क्यों रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? कहाँ बैठना है? Where to sit? कहाँ बैठना है? Where to sit? कैसे जाना है? How to go? कैसे जाना है? How to go? कब जाना है? When to go? कब जाना है? When to go? क्या मामला है? What's the matter? क्या मामला है? What's the matter? क्या समस्या है? What's the problem? क्या समस्या है? What's the problem? वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? कैसे शुरू करें? How to start? How to start? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? आप क्या लेना पसंद करेंगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? कौन बोल रहा है? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? तुम क्या बोल रहे हो? What are you speaking? What are you speaking? क्या आप सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? आप कब आओगे? When will you come? क्या आप आओगे? Will you come? क्या आप जाओगे? Will you go? Will you go? ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? क्या आप ठीक हैं? Are you fine? Are you fine? आप उदास क्यों हैं? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? आपको क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? क्या कोई परेशानी है? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? आप मुझसे बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे? Why are you not talking to me? Why are you not talking to me? क्या मैं आ सकता हूँ? Can I come? Can I come? क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? क्या आप वहाँ जा रहे हो? Are you going there? Are you going there? क्या आप मुझे घर छोड़ सकते हो? Can you drop me home? Can you drop me home? क्या आप मुझे कुछ पैसे दे सकते हो? Can you give me some money? Can you give me some money? आप वहाँ क्यों जा रहे हो? Why are you going there? Why are you going there? आपको कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? आप यहाँ कब आए? When did you come here? When did you come here? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? What should I do? आपने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? आपने ये कैसे किया? How did you do it? How did you do it? क्या मैं कुछ बोल सकता हूँ? Can I speak something? Can I speak something? आप मुझसे क्या पूछना चाहते हैं? What do you want to ask me? What do you want to ask me? तुम मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? मैं आपको जानता हूँ. I know you. I know you. क्या आप मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? क्या तुम कुछ कर रहे हो? Are you doing something? Are you doing something? क्या आप बाजार जाओगे? Will you go to the market? Will you go to the market? मुझे नहीं पता वह कौन है. I don't know who is he. I don't know who is he. आपको वहाँ जाना चाहिए. You should go there. You should go there. तुम्हें समझने की जरूरत है. You need to understand. You need to understand. क्या आप पढ़ रहे हो? Are you studying? Are you studying? क्या आप बोल सकते हो? Can you speak? Can you speak? क्या आप यहाँ आ सकते हो? Can you come here? Can you come here? क्या आप बीमार हो? Are you sick? Are you sick? क्या मुझे जाना चाहिए? Should I go? Should I go? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो? Can you tell me? Can you tell me?